Hi guys. Yep. So you know when I keep saying that I'm swapping rooms with Taylor I'm coming down from upstairs, he's going up from downstairs. Yeah, well, I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of exactly what's going on, why it's taking so long and why I am so absent on YouTube and all other social media. That is my domain. That's my throne. Right next to the window because it's nice out there. Hi. Currently, hi Sharon. Watching Sharon on YouTube. But yeah, that's my little office, basically. That's where I sit and do all the editing and all the behind the scenes stuff. So yeah, there you go. The printer has not made it into the new room yet. It made it upstairs. It made it from upstairs to there. And I decided I really like it there because it's right next to where I sit. So when I print, I don't need to move and run up and down stairs or run in and out of the other room. So it is actually living there semi-permanently. I'm debating whether to put it in the room when we're finished, but as it stands at the moment, it is highly likely staying where it is, which is ideal because all my paper pads are there, and prints, and obviously all the paper. Yeah, never mind. But yeah, so I'm just going to give you a little quick, and I mean quick, tour because I haven't tidied up. We've had kids, grandbabies, kids, all week. It is Friday, the 28th of June. Thirdman is currently on his way to pick Pumpkin up, which is grandbaby number 3. Our youngest granddaughter. Obviously, people who follow on social media know I don't call the children by their real names. They all have nicknames. Well, names that we'd call them anyway. But yeah, apart from Coffee Bean, because Coffee Bean is a brand rep for our lovely friend Karen over at While Darcy Sleeps. Links below, guys. So his real name gets used. So that means the parents aren't against us using the real names. I just tend not to. But anyway, so we are kind of... Our house is kind of a creche at the moment. But yeah, so that's my domain. That's my little office, guys. My little... Well, that's my Beadaholic cup, actually. I need a new one, Roo Roo. It's got chips in that one and my other one's actually cracked. My Craftaholic one's cracked. So Roo Roo, I'll be coming for some more cups soon because I really love them and I need some new ones. Let's do some shameless plugging while we're at it. My cup coaster came from Annie over at Made in the Meadow. That awesome one, which is... Sorry, Shell, don't look. It had Vimto, I believe. Yeah, Vimto, because one of the babies spilt the... Peppa Pig's little human, eldest granddaughter, spilt her juice on it and it seeped into the coaster at the back. But yeah, Shell CCC, you've all heard me talking about her, so that came from her. Look, guys, I've actually finished a brew. But yeah, anyway, so quick tour, because also, when I've said about I have a real phobia kind of thing, I'm shaking just talking about it. Also, because I haven't videoed for a while, so I'm nervous. I have a phobia about filming whilst I'm now down here rather than upstairs. And I'll show you why in a minute. You know, when I keep saying there is only a wall unit separating me in the new craft room from Thirdman and the rest of the house, and of course people just walk in and out of here, they don't knock, you know, family, friends, you know, open door policy here. Well, it's not easy filming when I'm in there and people are just coming and going like a freight train in here, and I'm really not comfortable about filming when there's other people around, and I'll show you what I mean by how close I am to people, even though I'm theoretically in a separate room. So that's my office. And then, obviously, the printer. That's Coffee Bean's basket, which near enough all of his photos for social media get done in... Not that, that's the car seat sat on top of there, but in the basket, you take all his photos. Thirdman's chair, the CD player and everything, blah, 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 blah. That door then leads upstairs and outside. Television, blah, blah, blah. Play table. New walk-along walker for Pumpkin when she gets here. Excited about that. Another chair, another bouncy chair, basket full of Peppa Pig's little humans, toys and all sorts, potted a lot. A quick scan of the rest of the table. My side, Third man's side, note the difference. Tidy, untidy, tidy, untidy. Flowers from my mama. Yep. And this is what I mean. That little room at the back of that wall unit, I'll show you that far up because there actually isn't anything personal on there. No, there isn't. But it's an absolute bomb site. But yeah, we built that. The bottom 2 layers, so the cupboards at the bottom and the next one up there with the biscuit tin and all the other stuff, the first 2 layers are Argos units. Ready-made, well, say ready-made, the flat pack, but we made them up like that. That one there, the huge one, and the one there at the top, we built ourselves on top of them to take it to the ceiling. And then we just put some beading across the top, blah, blah. So yeah, it created a huge wall unit, which separated us from that side, because that side was always Taylor's side, which it still is if you look at this bit. And I can't blame him for the mess, because he's had no choice, he's sharing with me. So at the moment, this side of the room is Taylor's room. That's where all my stamping stuff's going to go. We're going to build another desk across there for all my hand stamping stuff, because obviously it's metal, it's heavy. It packs a punch, and I don't want to split another desk because I've already done that with 2. I've already started putting some of my stuff up there, my stamping stuff. So this end's Taylor, so we'll excuse that mess because it's warranted, his PC. And then, look at this, guys, my desk from upstairs. I've already started piling stuff on window ledge. I've got a rough YouTube guide of what I should be doing videos-wise when I'm up and running. My little desk, and then we've got all of this that me and Third Man built. Well, Third Man built it, I just helped. But yes, so we have all sorts. There's plastic drawers under there. There's a proper wooden filing cabinet there. There's all sorts there. My sewing machine's there in the corner. But yeah, so there you go, guys. This is one end of the room. There is all sorts in all of them. And that, not that one there, hovering over that desk there is where I do the filming. Well, you see, I'm over there, and then if we turn, this here isn't a wall. That is this side of the unit. So, Third Man's there, I'm there. There is only this curtain separating us when I close it, when I'm working. So anybody comes in, which comes from over there, and bearing in mind, I'm not going to show you their house, but that is my front garden, which I will actually show you now because I cut it the other day. That's my front garden. 2 doors that way, across that little road, is where my mum and dad live. Yeah, and that's also where a ton of people hoard from when they come to visit. So I get no warning, they just turn up. And if I lock the door, guess what? They've got a key. They come in anyway. So yes, guys. Look, quick peep at Mama's car. Yeah, so there you go. I'll give you a nice little view of my garden for a minute while I talk to you. But yeah, so like I said, we're a bit upheaval at the moment, and well, not only that, in between all that, we've got babies. I will say babies, they're not babies as such. Grandbaby number 1 is 4.5, grandbaby number 2 is 3.5, grandbaby number 3 is 1 in 2 weeks today, and then obviously Coffee Bean is 6-week-old yesterday. So, but we have a 5-day week, because I don't count weekends, they're Taylor's time. So we have a 5-day week, and we see 3 out of 4 grandbabies 3 days a week. So then I've only got 2 days a week now. Out of a 5-day week, I've only got a 2-day week. And I've got to get the rest of that room finished. I've got to keep on top of the housework. And everything else. And actually, before I go, sorry, I'll probably make you a bit seasick. This is how far behind I am on videos. Not only have I still got to do a tutorial Thursday, but I've got Happy Mail, 2 lots of Happy Mail, which is way overdue. You've already seen that a million times. It's Coffee Bean's blanket. Another Happy Mail, more Happy Mail. another Happy Meal that's about a month overdue, but I can't film that yet because that is Taylor's birthday card, a special birthday card. I can't film it. I can film it, but I can't put it up live because Taylor watches my YouTube channel. Hi, buddy. He's recently discovered Mama's YouTube channel, so he watches. So anyway, Happy Meal, Happy Meal, Happy Meal, Happy Meal, Happy Meal, Happy Meal, Happy... They're just all Happy Meals. Sort of Happy Meal. That you've already seen. That I still need to do a flip through. My gosh, where do I stop? Oh, and then most recently, car boot sale haul from Sunday gone. Market haul from Wednesday just gone. Flea market haul yesterday, well, flea market stroke, more charity shop haul yesterday. Seriously, guys, I have got a ton of stuff to catch up on. And I haven't got time to do it. So, I haven't deserted you. I haven't gone AWOL. In case anybody is wondering, that tripod up there that's poking out is poking out like that for a reason. Because if I clip it here, that's why I've drawn the line. I clip it on there and then have it coming down at an angle across them two lines there. It is the perfect angle for filming when I'm sewing. Which you will have noticed in one of the previous videos. It was the corner, oh gosh, what is it? The corner trick when sewing with the sewing machine or something like that. Anyway, just check out the tutorial Thursdays videos, it's in there. But yeah, so I'm semi there. But like I said, I've got all this to do. Poor Taylor's crammed into this tiny little space, God bless him. He's doing really well and all. I mean, he did have all his stuff up there, and then the other day I made him shift all that. God love him, look at it. Poor child. He's crammed into this tiny little space, and oh, honestly, guys, he's not a small child. He's not. Apart from the fact he's 15 in 3 weeks, he's not a small child by any means least. He's very tall and he's quite big. But yeah, and he's crammed into that tiny little space waiting for me to empty the room upstairs, the rest of the room upstairs, so that he can move his stuff up there and then I can bring my stuff down. It's never ending. But anyway, I'm gonna go. And I don't know if you've noticed, because I don't know, this camera's a bit up and down. I got a new phone to use as a camera because it was cheaper than buying a camera. The quality's really good actually, but I'm having a few little technical faults with it at the moment. We're not exactly getting on that well. I will get used to it, but it saves me having to use my phone all the time, my actual phone all the time, which is the Google Pixel, for filming, because oh my gosh, that's another reason I haven't done any videos recently, because my phone's been a you know what. I will refrain from saying naughty words on YouTube, even though I don't get paid to do videos, so I can't be demonetized or anything. It's just you don't want to listen, you do not want to hear them words. But yeah, insert your own imagination. But pants, it's pants, that's what it is. We're capital P. Anyway, yeah, most of these drawers are empty. There's some loose beads in there, I don't know, I'm just, yeah. But anyway, so I've got a lot to do, and I will be back very soon with video of some description, I promise. Probably mail time to get me back into it because they're quick and easy to do. So, thank you for your patience, guys. Thank you for checking up on me. Thank you for going back to old videos and watching, because I've had a few comments on older videos. Which is awesome. But yeah, so just a general thank you guys, and I will see you all soon. So yeah, take care guys, bye.